Are we going to spend the day on the beach? Are we going to go a hike into Salto de Limon and enjoy some of the nature and some of the waterfalls? Or are we going to just spend the day in the house and just enjoy in solitude and quietness? And it tends to be our day to day. Hello, Dwell Magazine. My name is Jennifer Rosario Bunkley, and I work as a school social worker and live in New York City, along with my husband and our 3 children. For us, having a home in Dominican Republic allows us to continue our parents' legacy. And we specifically chose Samaná due to the beauty, the nature, the access to the beach, the food, the culture, and its history. It's untouched beauty. It is an area where there's still a lot of lush greenery. The water is crystal clear. There's fruit trees everywhere. It's very quiet. It smells very fresh. And so Las Terrenas definitely has a feel of life is good. You're here to enjoy life. You're here to take things easy. When searching for a home, we knew we wanted something that was off a beaten path. And Kasamada for us was the perfect fit. It also had a lot of architectural details and was different than the other homes in the area. Kasamada was originally a kit that came from Brazil by a gentleman whose goal was to build a sail club, and only took 40 days to construct the home with a few carpenters. And so the home was originally the reception home, which is why the kitchen window opens that way, and which is why it's the first house as soon as you enter the community. We didn't want to change the structure. The wood was in perfect condition. Everything was well taken care of by the previous owner. We loved all the details in the windows and how they open and close. However, we did feel that it needed somewhat of a refresher. And so we did upgrade the kitchen. We did upgrade our bathrooms as well. And so the kitchen, we used concrete and wood, and it was local wood. And in the bathroom, we used micro cement. And the goal was to keep things as seamless, as simple, and as clean as possible. When designing the space, we wanted it to represent our surroundings. And so the pattern, the scallop pattern within the pillows, our side tables, our mirror, we wanted to represent the pattern of the waves. In addition to that, the stripes and the checker pattern, also representation of somewhat of a nautical feel. We wanted to use locally sourced items. And so all of the furniture was made by a local carpenter. We're lovers of art, and so we wanted to use local artists, and all the paintings are a representation of either plants or culture of Dominican Republic. One of the things that we love about the space is that even when you're inside, you feel like you're outside. You smell the wood. It is a wood that is native to Brazil called paroba rose. All you can hear is the sound of the trees moving along the breeze. You can hear the sound of the birds. Visiting Kasamada feels like a sense of relief. You leave everything else behind and you come here, and it's like all the troubles, all the stress levels are just, they're gone, and you sort of forget that even exists. And so when you're here, it just feels right.